This is a nice piece. I have a lot of them. For the next one who's interested in pebbles. Oh! A nice chunk of white glass. I like them. They're not bad. You can use. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Wow. Komm her. Der ist schön. Ich mach den mal eben sauber zur Seite. Komm mal her. Oh yeah. Looks like an Easter egg with red thunder. No, not thunder. How you call it? Me. Forgot the word. Lightnings. Lightnings. Red lightnings. Nice. I need a geologist, but because I don't know what it is. How to call them. Because I have seen them many times before and I've tried to find them on Google, but they don't say anything. Oh, there's another nice glass piece. It's of glass. It's a cool color. It's a little bit blue-greenish. Love it. Other two, check with me.